Здравствуйте, привет. Hello everyone. So this is the second video Learn Russian online. So today we will be learning some greetings and small talks for day to some phrases for day to day life. Okay. So on the screen you can see greetings and small talk. So already I have introduced in the previous lecture about formal and informal hello and formal and informal bye. So first of all we'll do formal hello. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. Informal hello. Привет. Привет. Like the formal thing we use the elder in age, those who are elder in age or in post. Okay. So formal hello. Здравствуйте. Please repeat with me. Здравствуйте. Informal hello. Привет. Привет. Good morning. Доброе утро. Good morning. Доброе утро. Once again, hello. Formal hello. Здравствуйте. Informal hello. Привет. Доброе утро. Good morning. Добрый день. Good afternoon. Добрый вечер. Good evening. So the word dobry means kind. Dobry means kind. Basically, it represents the sense like in Hindi we used to say आपका दिन मंगलमय हो, आपका दिन शुभ हो, like that. In that sense, okay. So dobry, the word dobry, it's an adjective and it changes according to the cases and according to the gender, which we'll study in further lectures. So dobre utra. Utra means morning. Dobre utra. Dobry dzień. Dobry dzień. Good evening. Dobry wieczór. Good evening. Dobry wieczór. Now, we used to talk like when we meet someone, then we ask, hi, how are you? So hi or hello is привет, здравствуйте, and how are you is как дела. Как дела. And one more thing I want to tell you that this is not как дела means you don't have to tell that which district you belong. You just have to tell that how are you, the answer of how are you. Как дела. How are you? So either we answer good, I'm fine, thank you. So like that. So good, хорошо. Good, хорошо. Bad, плохо. Bad, плохо. And one more thing I want to tell you, in good you can see k, o, r, o, sh, o. But I'm pronouncing kharasho, not khorosho, because in the next lecture I'll make you acquainted with the stress and the stress rules, because when you will study stress and the stress rules, then you will get to know that why when o comes in between the consonant or hard and soft consonant, then why it pronounced like as a. Okay, and when it comes to and, then I'm pronouncing as o. So this we will do in the next lecture. So once again, good, хорошо. Good, хорошо. Bad, плохо. Bad, плохо. Formal bye is до свидания. Formal bye is до свидания. Informal bye is пока. Bye bye, пока пока. So once again, let's do formal hello. Здравствуйте. Please repeat with me. Здравствуйте. Formal hello. Здравствуйте. Informal hello. Привет. Informal hello. Привет. Доброе утро. Good morning. Доброе утро. Good morning. Добрый день. Добрый день. Good afternoon. Добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. Good evening. Как дела? Как дела? How are you? Good. Хорошо. Bad. Плохо. Bad. Плохо. Bye. До свидания. Bye. Formal bye is до свидания. Informal bye is пока. Bye bye. Пока пока. Okay? So once again, здравствуйте. Hello. Formal hello. Привет. Informal hello. Доброе утро. Good morning. Добрый день. Good afternoon. Dobry вечер. Good evening. Как дела? How are you? Хорошо. Good. Плохо. Bad. До свидания. Formal bye. Пока. Informal bye. Now moving to next slide. So the first two words. Da in niyat. I have introduced these things also in the previous lecture. So yes, da. So if I ask, are you getting? So you have to answer da. Never answer niyat. Niyat means no. Please, пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. Okay? Пожалуйста. Please, пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. Oh, sorry, very tongue twisting. So once again, please, пожалуйста. Thank you. Спасибо. Thank you. Спасибо. You're welcome. Or like, mention not. So, ни за что. Ни за что. Ни за что. Okay? So once again, да. Yes. Нет. No. Пожалуйста. Please. Спасибо. Thank you. Ни за что. You're welcome. Ни за что. You're welcome. Next, I'm sorry. Прошу прощения. Прошу прощения. After прощу, the second sh, you can see on the screen this. Прощения. So this sh, little bit sound of ch. Like बहुत थोड़ा सा हल्का सा sound आना चाहिए ch. Okay? So I'm sorry. Прошу прощения. The word for I'm sorry is прошу прощения, but sometimes you can find that someone is speaking извините. On the next, you can see the next sentence is excuse me, извините. Excuse me, извините. Okay? But for I'm sorry, you will also find that someone is speaking извините, пожалуйста. I'm sorry, please. Извините, пожалуйста. Sorry, please. Okay? Or извините, пожалуйста. Excuse me. Извините, пожалуйста. Excuse me, please. Пожалуйста is please. Прошу прощения, пожалуйста. I'm sorry, please. Извините, excuse me. I don't understand. Я не понимаю. I don't understand. Я не понимаю. I don't speak Russian. Я не говорю по-русски. I don't speak Russian. Я не говорю по-русски. Do you speak English? Вы говорите по-английски? Do you speak English? Вы говорите по-английски? Да. Yes. If I ask, do you speak English? Вы говорите по-английски? So if I speak English, so I'll answer да. If I don't speak English, then I'll answer нет. Да. Do you speak English? Вы говорите по-английски? Да. Yes. Вы говорите по-английски? If I don't speak English, then I'll say нет. Вы говорите по-русски? Do you speak Russian? По-русски, Russian. Okay. So do you speak Russian? Вы говорите по-русски? Да. Вы говорите по-русски? Нет. No. Okay. So once again, let's do this slide. Yes. Да. Нет. No. Please. Пожалуйста. Thank you. Спасибо. You're welcome. Ни за что. Please repeat with me. Ни за что. Прошу прощения. I'm sorry. Прошу прощения. I'm sorry. Прошу прощения, please. Sorry. Извините. Прошу прощения, пожалуйста. I'm sorry, please. Прошу прощения, пожалуйста. I'm sorry, please. Извините, пожалуйста. Excuse me, please. Извините, пожалуйста. Excuse me, please. Я не понимаю. I don't understand. Я не понимаю. I don't understand. Я не говорю по-русски. Я не говорю по-русски. I don't speak Russian. Я не говорю по-русски. Russian language, in Russian we speak, Russian language is Ruski язык. Язык means language and Russian is Ruski. Okay. So I don't speak Russian. Я не говорю по-русски. Я не говорю по-русски. Do you speak English? Вы говорите по-английски? Вы говорите по-английски? По-английски? Да. Нет. Да means yes. Нет means no. Once again. Да. Yes. Нет. No. Пожалуйста. Please. Спасибо. Thank you. Ни за что. You're welcome. Ни за что. You're welcome. Прошу прощения. I'm sorry. Прошу прощения. I'm sorry. Извините. Excuse me. Извините. Excuse me. Извините, пожалуйста. Excuse me, please. Извините, пожалуйста. Sorry, please. I don't understand. Я не понимаю. I don't understand. Я не понимаю. I don't speak Russian. Я не говорю по-русски. Я не говорю по-русски. Do you speak English? Вы говорите по-английски? Да. Yes, I speak English. Да. Okay? Now the next slide. On the first slide, we have studied как дела? Как дела? How are you? So sometimes we answer, I'm fine, thank you. I'm good, thank you. So for fine, good, the word is хорошо. Okay? So, I'm fine, thank you. Хорошо. And the word for thank you is спасибо. Okay? For the thank you is спасибо. So, I'm fine, thank you. Хорошо, спасибо. Как дела? Хорошо, спасибо. And sometimes we feel like I'm not in a bad mood and not in a good mood. Like better means not bad. We sometimes speak, yeah, not bad. How are you? Not bad. Like that, for that sense. So bad is plokha. Bad is plokha. And when we use for negations, we use nie. Okay? Nie. Like niyat. So we remove the and we use nie. Okay? For negative sentences, we use nie. So, I'm fine, thank you. Хорошо, спасибо. I'm okay, means I'm not bad. How are you? I'm not bad. I'm okay. So, for that, in that sense, не плохо. Не плохо, спасибо. Не плохо, спасибо. Like if I'm asking, how are you? Как дела? I'm not bad. Or I'm better. Or not bad, like that, or I'm okay, thank you. So in that sense, не плохо, спасибо. Не плохо, спасибо. Спасибо is thank you. How are you? Как дела? I'm fine, thank you. Хорошо, спасибо. I'm not bad. Не плохо, спасибо. Не плохо, спасибо. So, I'm not bad. Не плохо. Спасибо. Thank you. The most important or the common use, like when we meet someone, so first of all we say hi, hello, how are you, what's your name? Okay? So hi is привет. Hello is как дела? And what's your name means? Как вас зовут? One more thing I'll tell you, that when we'll study pronouns, so there will be two words. We and the. Okay? So, like in English, there is only one word for aap is you. But in Hindi, there are two words. Like aap is for elder one, is for the who is elder in a post, who is elder in a age. And when we meet someone first time, so we don't know that he is elder or she is elder, so we don't know. So we first say them aap. आप कैसे है? Like that. Okay? We never used to say तुम कैसे हो? तुम is for very friendly. तुम is for informal. Friendly. We used to say with our, like we have friendly nature, like colleagues, like school friends, college friends, like that. Sometimes mother, father also, कि तुम कैसी हो? Like that. Okay? So, when we'll study in Russian, pronoun. Okay? After 1 to 2 lecture, we'll get acquainted with the pronouns. Okay? So there will be two words, we and the. And we and the changes according to cases. So we is formal and the is informal. So here, what's your name? So formal your is was. Okay, and informal your is chibya. Okay, formal your is was, informal your is chibya. So if I am asking in a formal way, kak was zavut. Zavut means name. Basically zavut means this sentence means kak was zavut. Basically this sentence means how are you called. Okay, how are you called. So logically this means what's your name, आप किस तरह जाने जाते हैं. So what's your name. Okay, so was is for formal, chibya is for informal. So kak was zavut, formal, what's your name. Informal, kak chibya zavut, what's your name. Like if I'm talking to my younger sister, so I'll tell kak chibya zavut. And if I'm talking to my boss, so I'll ask kak was zavut, kak was zavut. Okay, now the answer will be my name is. What's your name. So my name is, like my name is Nidhi, so I'll answer Minya zavut Nidhi. Minya zavut Nidhi. If someone's name is like Shruti, so he or she will answer Minya zavut Shruti. If someone's name is Nikhil, so he will answer Minya zavut Nikhil. Okay, so Minya zavut is for everyone, for male, female, for everyone. Okay, and formal for everyone. So kak was zavut, what's your name. Formal. I'm asking this question to, yeah, so if I'm asking this question to my boss, so kak was zavut, because obviously formal, because he's elder than me in position. So kak was zavut. But if I'm talking to my younger sister's friend, so I know she is younger, so I'll ask kak chibya zavut, kak chibya zavut. Suppose her name is Marina, so she will answer Minya zavut Marina. Minya zavut is for everyone, as I told you. So Minya zavut Marina. Now it's nice to meet you. Priyatna poznakomitsa. It's nice to meet you. Priyatna poznakomitsa. Help me please. Pomagicie pожалуйста. Pожалуйста is please. Pomagicie pожалуйста. So now let's do once again all the slides. Formal hello. Здравствуйте. Formal hello. Здравствуйте. Informal hello. Привет. Informal hello. Привет. Доброе утро. Good morning. Доброе утро. Good morning. Добрый день. Good afternoon. Добрый день. Good afternoon. Добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. Good evening. Как дела? Как дела? How are you? Yeah, there is in the sentence how are you, there is kak, and after that de, ye, el, a. But I am not pronouncing kak dila. I am pronouncing kak zila. Okay. Little bit sound of the and little bit sound of z. Kak zila. Okay. So why this is so, you will get acquainted in the next class. For now, just remember kak zila. Okay. Good. Хорошо. Good. Хорошо. Bad. Плохо. Bad. Плохо. Formal by до свидания. Formal by до свидания. Informal by is пока. Bye bye. Пока пока. Next. Да. Yes. Нет. No. Да is yes. Нет is no. Пожалуйста. Please. Пожалуйста. Please. Thank you. Спасибо. Thank you. Спасибо. You're welcome. In the reply of thank you, we used to say, you're welcome. Ни за что or mention not. Ни за что. Okay? I am sorry. Прошу прощения. I am sorry. Прошу прощения. I'm sorry, please. Прошу прощения. Пожалуйста. Please. Okay? Excuse me. Извините. Excuse me. Извините. Excuse me, please. Извините, пожалуйста. I don't understand. I don't understand. Я не понимаю. Я не понимаю. I don't speak Russian. Я не говорю по-русски. I don't speak Russian. Я не говорю по-русски. I don't speak English. Я не говорю по-английски. Я не говорю по-английски. Do you speak English? Вы говорите по-английски? Do you speak English? Вы говорите по-английски? So, if I speak English, so if I don't speak English, so I'll answer I don't speak English. Я не говорю по-английски. Я не говорю по-английски. And if I speak English, so I'll answer да, я говорю по-английски. Да, yes, I speak English. Да, я говорю по-английски. Да, я говорю по-английски. So, do you speak English? Вы говорите по-английски? Да, я говорю по-английски. Yes, I speak English. Нет. I don't speak English. No, I don't speak English. So, нет. Я не говорю по-английски. No. Нет means no. No, I don't speak English. Нет, я не говорю по-английски. And either in simple way, I don't speak English. Я не говорю по-английски, okay? Do you speak Russian? Вы говорите по-русски? Do you speak Russian? Вы говорите по-русски? Да, I speak Russian. Да, я говорю по-русски. Да, я говорю по-русски. No, I don't speak Russian. Нет, no means нет. Нет. Я не говорю по-русски. Okay? Now, moving on. Как дела? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Хорошо, спасибо. I'm okay or not bad or yeah, I'm better. Thank you. Like that. So, I'm okay, thank you. Not bad or I'm better, thank you. So, for that, неплохо, спасибо. Okay? Now, как вас зовут? This question I'm asking to in a very formal way. So maybe I'm asking to my boss, maybe I'm asking to someone who is elder than me. Okay? So this is formal. Как вас зовут? Okay? And I'm asking to younger sister or younger sister's friend. So как тебя зовут? So the answer will be меня зовут, whatever the name is. It's nice to meet you. Приятно познакомиться. It's nice to meet you. Приятно познакомиться. Help me, please. Помогите, пожалуйста. Помогите, пожалуйста. Okay. So these are the words. Maybe in the next class, in the next lecture, we will come with the stress or stress rules, or either I'll come with some dialogue conversations. Okay. So спасибо. Спасибо is thank you. Спасибо. Приятно познакомиться. It's nice to meet you. Приятно познакомиться. So, like I'm going for today, that's all. So, спасибо. Приятно познакомиться. До свидания. До свидания.